Hello and welcome back to my channel. We all know that sling packs and fannies are all the rage right now, and this one is no exception. This is the Kerikit Vanessa fanny or sling bag, and I'm going to show you how I have her all packed up because she is so good. If you watched my last video, you know I'm in a season of life where sometimes I don't need everything in the kitchen sink. Sometimes I have no kids, sometimes I have all kids. So I have had 3 bags packed up at all times. One of them is a purse, so if you watched my last video, you saw how I had my purse packed. This is more what I would pack for a quick trip or just for me. So I was away over the weekend with some of my friends, and this is what I took as my handbag, and she held everything I needed. So I was actually very, very impressed. She's very comfortable to wear on the body. This strap is nice and wide and nice and adjustable, so you have plenty of room whether you want to wear this on your front, sling it over to your back, or wear it around your waist. I really think that this can fit almost any size. Let me start by saying this is a full grain leather fanny pack. She is gorgeous. This is a warm taupe color, which I know is no longer available, but she does have the black version on her website, and it's 20% off right now for Black Friday. So if you like this bag and this video, feel free to go snag one. I will link it down below, but look at how gorgeous she is. So on the back of the bag you do get this hidden zipper here, and this is where I have been keeping my phone. I recently got a larger phone and it slips perfectly back there. It's super easy to get to when I'm wearing it, and it's nice and protected. I know it's not going to get scratched by itself in that pocket. Then in front of that you have the traditional fanny pack. I love that it has double zippers. It makes it super easy when it's on my body. I can zip this any which way and get in and out of the bag, and that has been fantastic. And even when it's open, nothing falls out. And I have that pack pretty full, and nothing has ever fallen out of the bag. Typically my sunglasses sit right on top here, but they're currently in my car. So I'm just gonna go through all of the things. If you're a mom, you know you never leave home without a pack of wipes ever again in your life, so that's what I have here. This is just a pack of wet ones, and they just come in handy for everything. Behind, or kind of right next to, I have a snack for me. This is an RX bar, and you know what, nothing in a package is ideal, but it's something to keep me from getting hangry and keep me from making a worse choice, which is what I would do if I didn't have a snack with me. So I keep that in there. Then I have my makeup. I've shown this a million times. I will never not be obsessed with this. So this is all-in-one makeup from Saint. This palette is built and customized for me to my skin, and you can build them in all shapes and sizes. It's amazing. And to go along with that, I also have this little IT Cosmetics brush. It tucks perfectly in there, and then I can do a face of makeup on the go if I need to. Also, there is a pen loop, and I am just keeping a pen, and then in the other pen loop I'm keeping a Tide to Go pen. 2 things I always need. Then right next to my makeup is sitting my wallet. That was a receipt that just fell. Act like that didn't happen. This is my wallet from Andar. It's super skinny but holds all of the things, and I love it. I will link that down below as well. Then I have a clip because if you know me, you know that I last about 2 seconds with my hair down, and then it all ends up in a clip. And then lastly, in that main section, I have my AirPods. Now if you look into the bag, you can see there is a slip pocket back here. I am keeping a battery for my phone and a business card holder. How cute is this with the sparkles? It's so cute. Alright, then you do get a nice zipper pocket back here, and in here I am just keeping some hair ties and my pill case in case I get a headache or any tummy troubles on the go. And then that's it for that pocket. Front of that you get a really nice deep pocket. You can see how much that comes off the corner of the bag, and again you get a nice double zipper. And if I just fold this down, you can see how organized it is. So right in front here I do have a flushable wipe. I just like to have this in case I have one of the kids with me and they need help in the restroom. Then right off to the side here I have a folding hairbrush. I have one of my favorite lip balms. This one's from Ole Henriksen, and it is amazing. We live in the Northeast where it gets really dry in the winter, and that is a lifesaver. And to go along with that, these balm glosses, I think they're called, from L'Oreal are amazing. It's like, is it a lip balm? Is it a lip gloss? Like, it's the best of both. So I have 2 of those in there. And then lastly, I have this little perfume from Saint. And then I also have a little baby hand sanitizer because who doesn't need that? Finally, you do get this little elastic pocket here. And in here I have just stashed 2 feminine products and then a little travel deodorant. So that's it. That's everything I had in my Kerikit Vanessa. As you can see, she holds a ton of goodies for you and your littles or whatever you may need when you're on the go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please follow along for more videos like this one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!